Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Adobe Premiere Pro for color grading. To get started, we need a sample video. To insert your video here in Adobe Premiere, so you can click File, then Import, or simply go to your video directory and drag the video that you want to use for editing. Next, we will have our new adjustment layer. So to do that, simply click New Item and click Adjustment Layer. So we can change the name of this adjustment layer, but for now, we will leave it as it is. Then next, we will drag it on our timeline. Then adjust it to the duration of the video that you want to edit. Next, go to Window and click Lumetri Scopes. We need to make sure that our rate and waveform are checked in our Lumetri Scope. Now, this is the Lumetri Scopes where we can see the colors in our video. Going back to Window, then click Lumetri Color. In Lumetri Color, this is the interface where we will control the colors in our video. First, go to Basic Correction and adjust the tone depending on your choice. So we can click the black to decrease it to maximum and highlight the whites for maximum as well. So we can decrease the shadows or increase it, then the highlights, the contrast, and the exposure. You can also control the tint and the temperature. For white balance, so we can click this color picker and choose the most white part of our video. To check the changes in your editing, so we can click Effects. So you can see that the colors of our video are now altered or edited. Next, go to Curves. So you can also choose this option to mix the color of your video. So first, we need to make a 3 dots. Then form it on whatever adjustment you want, but make sure that we are forming a S. Now you can see that the color is also adjusting. If you like this kind of video and want to be updated for more, please click like, share, and subscribe to our